The advancements in CAD and the advancements in design have come a long, long way. The stuff that we're doing in 3 dimensions today is really unbelievable compared to what it was not even 15 years ago. The software programs have really advanced things. The styling, it's allowing for people to create and manufacture parts that really require some advanced manufacturing techniques. But the advancements in CAD programs has really helped push the envelopes of design, and the envelopes of design are now pushing the envelopes of manufacturing. So now there's going to be a new set of rules in place when we start talking about designing for additive. Part of the principles and some of the things that the benefits of designing for additive you can see here are things like no tooling. So if we start to create products and we're going to 3D print them for production, we don't need to make tools anymore. We can just print our parts. Most of the parts that we're designing typically involve less material because you can core things and you can have these really organic structures. Less processing. It also goes into the product categories, customization. I mean, everything today, people want what they want. They don't want a cookie cutter type of product. They want something unique. They want something special. And customization plays a big part in this because I can run 10 of this, and then 10 of this, and then 10 of this, or 100, or 500, and change it on the fly as needed. From the business side, we talk about supply chains and inventory. You know, we could minimize our inventory. We don't need to have warehouses of parts because we can print on demand when needed instead of having parts sitting around. Supply chains are going to be digital. We're not going to have physical supply chains. We're going to have digital supply chains. Again, we can make impossible geometries, things that you could not do traditionally, but now with the additive manufacturing technologies, we can create products that you wouldn't have been able to produce in any other means of manufacturing. And then part consolidation. It's another key factor. So when we're taking products and taking components from 8 different parts in an assembly, combining them into one, it's a huge savings. Not only is it a huge savings from a manufacturing standpoint, but from an inventory, supply chain, all those things will come into effect when we start talking about part consolidations.